and you think you can do as much haram as you want. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you eyes to see. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you a tongue to speak. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you your heart that it beats. It only beats with the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The breath that you take in, the breath that you take out is only with the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So how are you disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? How are you disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? When you sin with your eyes, does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stop your sight? When you smoke your vapes, does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take away your lungs? When you are watching haram, does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take away your sight? When you are listening to that music, to that rap, to that drill, does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala remove your hearing? No, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So how are you disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Allah ta'ala can easily take away your life, but Allah ta'ala is letting you live. Maybe my servant will turn back to me.